If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Shopify, follow these steps to regain access to your account. This process will help you disable and re-enable two-factor authentication for better security. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify login page and enter your credentials to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter your current authentication code. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings section located at the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Users and Permissions to manage your account settings. Step 3. Access two-factor authentication settings. In the Users and Permissions section, find your account and click on your name. Look for the two-factor authentication option and click on it to view your current settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. To reset the two-factor authentication, you will need to disable it first. Click on the option to turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password or verification code to confirm this action. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication by following the prompts to set it up again. Choose your preferred method, e.g., SMS or authentication app, and complete the setup process. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you can enjoy enhanced security for your Shopify account.